Hello students, so let's start Prelims 2023 practice questions. So the first question is match the following. Here they are given Balaghat mines and K3 mines. These are famous for copper. The second statement is Amarkantak Plateau, Maikal Hills are famous for bauxite, and Chotanagpur Plateau and Nellore Belt are famous for mica. So which of the following are correctly matched? So only one. Option B is only 2, option C is 1 and 2, and option D is all the 3. So here the correct answer is option D. So here copper present in Balaghat mines in Madhya Pradesh and K3 mines in Rajasthan, and in one more area also copper is present. It is Singhbhum district in Jharkhand. So this Balaghat mines, K3 mines and Singhbhum district of Jharkhand are the leading producers of copper. And coming to the second statement, so the bauxite deposits are present in Amarkantak Plateau, Maikal Hills and Bilaspur Khati Plateau region also. Okay, so these are famous for the bauxite reserves. And coming to the third statement, mica deposits are found in Chotanagpur Plateau, Nellore Belt of Andhra Pradesh, and one another famous place is Kodarma Gaya Hazaribagh belt of Jharkhand. So these three places are famous for mica belt, remember. Okay. So all these three statements are correct. Coming to the second statement, question, choose a correct pair. First is Vishakhapatnam is famous. It is extreme southwestern port. Kochi port is statement 2. It is the deepest landlocked port. So the options are 1, option B is only 2, option C is 1 and 2, option D is none. So here the correct answer is none. Both the statements are wrong. Why? Because the Vishakhapatnam port is the deepest landlocked and well protected port. And coming to the Kochi port is extreme southwestern port. Okay. So and we have another two important ports also. The other is Tuticorin port. It is extreme southeastern port, and Kandla port is the first port developed soon after the independence. So these are the other statements. Now option D is none. Why? Because Vishakhapatnam is the deepest landlocked port and Kochi port is extreme southwestern port. Okay. So coming to the third question, consider the statements regarding blue flag certification. So statement number 1, it is awarded by Denmark-based non-profit foundation for environmental education. Statement number 2, it aims to provide sustainability in tourism sector. Statement number 3, recently Minikoi Thundi Beach and Kadmat Beach were awarded blue flag. So here all these statements are correct. So it was found awarded by the Denmark based non-profit foundation for environmental education. So it aims to provide sustainability in tourism sector through the environmental education. And recently for India, 2 beaches got blue flag. One is Minikoi Thundi Beach and the other is Kadmat Beach. Okay, and so all these statements are correct. So 1, 2, 3 are correct answers. And the other is this green flag certification is based on 4 main categories. One is environmental education and information, and the other is water quality, and the third one is environmental management, and fourth is safety and services. So whichever beach has good water quality, proper environmental management, and safety and security services, those beaches will be awarded blue flag. Okay, so this is about the blue flag. So all these options are correct. So all these statements are correct. Coming to the fourth question, consider the statements regarding Mahakaleshwar Jyotirlinga. So first statement is, it is the only Jyotirlinga facing towards south, where the rest all face towards east. Second statement, it is present along Kshipra River. Third statement is recently Mahakal Lok Corridor was inaugurated in Ujjain. So here all these statements are correct, and I want to give you some more information about Mahakaleshwar Jyotirlinga. So yes, as we know, recently Mahakal Lok Corridor is inaugurated in Ujjain. Ujjain is present in Madhya Pradesh. So as per the Hindu mythology, this temple was constructed by Lord Brahma, and it is present alongside of Kshipra river, and Mahakaleshwar Jyotirlinga is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas of Shiva. Overall in India, we have 12 Jyotirlingas, and 12 Jyotirlingas are: one is Mahakaleshwar, which is in Madhya Pradesh, two is Somnath, which is in Gujarat, third one is Nageshwar, it is again in Gujarat, fourth is Mallikarjuna Swami temple, it is in Telangana, fifth is Omkareshwar temple, it is in Madhya Pradesh, sixth is Kedarnath temple, it is in Uttarakhand, seventh is Bhima Shankar temple in Maharashtra, eighth is Trayambakeshwar temple in Maharashtra, ninth is again Grishneshwar temple in Maharashtra, 10th is Vishwanath temple in Varanasi, 11th one is Baidyanath temple in Jharkhand, 12th is Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. So these are the 12 Jyotirlingas which are present in India, and here this Mahakaleshwar Jyotirlinga is the only Jyotirlinga facing south, whereas all other remaining Jyotirlingas faces towards east. So this is because the south indicates the direction of death, and it is believed that people worship Mahakaleshwar to prevent untimely death. So this is a speciality of Mahakaleshwar Jyotirlinga. So it is present in Madhya Pradesh. Recently, Mahakal Lok Corridor was inaugurated. So all these statements are correct. Now coming to the fifth question, Operation Make Chakra is related to. So option A, Indian Army operation in Nagaland. Option B, Indian Police operation in Hyderabad. Option C, Interpol operation in Pan India. Option D, none of the above. So here the correct answer is option C. It is the Interpol operation in Pan India. So here this Operation Make Chakra is a special Interpol operation against the circulation and sharing of child sexual abuse material. It is a Pan India operation conducted by CBI. So this is related to Operation Mega Chakra. And next, coming to the sixth question, consider the statements regarding central bank digital currency. So first statement is, till now 9 countries have fully launched CBDC. Second statement, CBDCs are maintained and protected by central bank. Third statement is, India has recently launched CBDCs for testing purpose. So here all these statements are correct. So option D is the correct answer. Now we'll get more about this CBDC. So recently India has launched CBDC for testing purpose. So here CBDC is directly controlled and maintained by RBI. RBI is a central bank for India, and this CBDCs are also called digital currency, and digital currency is e-rupee. Okay, and cryptocurrency is also a form of digital currency, but cryptocurrency is anonymous, whereas digital currency is controlled and maintained by the central bank. This is the difference between cryptocurrency and CBDC. And till now 9 countries have fully launched CBDCs, and the first country in the whole world to launch the CBDC is Bahamas Central Bank. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Now coming to the seventh question, choose a correct pairs. So Lambert Glacier present in Antarctica. Second statement is Hubbard Glacier present in South America. So here only first statement is correct, because this Hubbard Glacier is present in North America, not South America. So only first statement is correct. Option A is the correct answer. Eighth question, choose correct statements regarding sugarcane crop. So first statement is it is a tropical and subtropical crop. Second statement is it is grown in temperatures of 25 degrees centigrade to 32 degrees centigrade. Third statement is annual rainfall of 200 centimeters to 250 centimeters is needed. So here both option 2 and option 3 are wrong. Statement 2 and statement 3 are wrong statements. Why? Because sugarcane is normally grown in the temperatures around 21 degrees to 27 degrees centigrade, and here the annual rainfall is around 75 centimeters and 100 centimeters, not 200 to 250 centimeters. So 2 and 3 statements are wrong, only one is correct. So here the temperature required is 21 to 27 degrees and rainfall required is 75 centimeter to 100 centimeters. So first statement is only correct. So option A is the correct answer. Ninth question, consider the following regarding Great Lakes of North America. So first statement is the Great Lakes serves as a boundary between Canada and US. Second statement, Lake Superior is the largest and deepest lake, and Lake Erie is the smallest lake. So here again all these statements are correct. So more information about these Great Lakes. So Great Lakes are present in North America and it acts as a boundary line between Canada and US, and these are the largest freshwater lakes on the earth. So, and the other point to remember is the Great Lakes St. Lawrence system is the largest freshwater system in the world. So this we have 5 Great Lakes. One is Lake Superior. Lake Superior is the largest by volume and also the deepest, and it is the Lake Superior is of size of a Scotland. And the second lake is Lake Michigan. Lake Michigan is the second largest by volume and the third largest by area. Third lake is Lake Huron. Huron is the third largest by volume and second largest by area. And the fourth lake is Lake Erie. Lake Erie is the smallest by volume and the shallowest. And the fifth and the last lake is Lake Ontario. Ontario is the second smallest in volume and smallest in area. So these are about the 5 Great Lakes of North America. So all these statements are correct. Option C is the correct answer. Now coming to the 10th question. So match the following. Kharif season is from June to September. Rabi season is from October to March. Zaid season is from April to June. So here Kharif season, so all these statements are correct. So option A is the correct answer. Now coming to the 11th question. Match the following. Durgavati Tiger Reserve, Terai Elephant Reserve, Sariska Tiger Reserve. So Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan are given on the other side. So here Durgavati Tiger Reserve is present in Madhya Pradesh. Terai Elephant Reserve is present in Uttar Pradesh and Sariska Tiger Reserve is present in Rajasthan. So the correct answer is BAC. 12th question is, who was the first Indian and non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature? So option A, Mahatma Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, Rabindranath Tagore and C.R. Das. So here option C, Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian and non-European to win Nobel Prize in Literature in the year 1913. Okay. Now coming to the 13th question, consider the statements of the State of the World Mangroves Report 2022. So first statement is Global Mangrove Alliance has released the report. Second statement is, as per the report, West Bengal, Gujarat, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra have the highest mangrove areas. The third statement is Sundarbans are the largest mangroves spread across India. So here the first statement is correct. This mangrove the State of the World Mangrove Report 2022 is released by Global Mangrove Alliance. And the second statement is also correct. West Bengal, Gujarat, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra are the highest mangrove areas. These are the top 5 states. Now, coming to the third statement, the Sundarbans are the largest mangroves across the world also, but it is not spread only in India. It is spread in India and Bangladesh. So, statement number 3 is wrong. So, only 1 and 2 statements are correct. Now, coming to the 14th question, consider the statements regarding lumpy skin disease. So, it is a zoonotic disease. Second statement is it is caused by Capripox virus. Third statement is it is observed in the cattle and birds. So here, coming to the zoonotic disease is the disease which spreads from animals to humans. But here, lumpy skin disease is not a zoonotic disease. Okay, it doesn't spread from animals to humans. Okay, so first statement is wrong. Coming to the second statement, it is caused by Capripox virus. Yes, this it is caused by Capripox virus, and it is genetically related to goat pox and sheep pox family, virus family. Okay. Coming to the third statement, it is observed in cattle and birds. So here it is only observed in cattle, not birds. Okay. So lumpy skin disease and other major diseases observed in cattle like brucellosis, homeohagic septicemia are covered under the livestock health and disease control program in India. Okay, so option third is wrong. It is only observed in cattle. Capripox virus is present and it is a non-zoonotic disease. So only option 2 is correct answer. Option C will be the correct one. Now coming to the 15th question, consider the correct statements regarding cloud seeding. So here what happens is through this cloud seeding, they use the iodides of silver, dry ice, liquid propane as cloud seeds. So they will send through, they'll actually inject these cloud seeds in the clouds through planes or directly sprinkle from ground, so that these makes easy for the precipitation, and it will be active, it will be successful when the humidity is heavy. It should be more than 75%, then only we can create artificial rainfall. Okay, so recently UAE is conducting experiments in order to increase its precipitation. Okay, so first statement is it is a technology used to create artificial rainfall. It is correct. Second statement is also correct because iodides of silver, dry ice, liquid propane are used as seed clouds. And the third statement is recently United Arab Emirates is conducting this experiment to increase precipitation. So all these statements are correct. So option D is the correct answer.